At one time we were 100% racing, and then it was like a 90-10, 80-20. And just like 2 years ago, we were about still 60% racing and about 40 outside. This year we'll end 2024 at about 70% outside work and about 30% is motorsports and racing. And out of that 70%, 50% of that is military and defense related, with about the other 20 being in the aerospace sector. But we're actually working on trying to diversify our portfolio of customers on the aerospace side, and we would like to see that mix be a little bit more 50-50, and then maybe get into some other industries as well, with some other automotive that's outside of the motorsports side of things.
With NASCAR changing, it's an ever-evolving sport. A lot of the parts and pieces are bought now. We've moved away from a lot of race car parts. We do a lot of stuff for defense industry.
We decided to get AS9100 certified, where we could do military, defense, and aerospace type work. We do a lot of weapons development stuff, a lot of ground mobility vehicle side, as well as getting into the aerospace side.
Titanium it's hard and light, but it cuts like butter. It's just really slow and takes a long time, but it runs great on a CNC machine.
As far as trying to navigate the challenges with our high mix, tight tolerance parts, it's definitely a very unique environment that we're in. We're a job shop, and obviously there's a lot of job shops across the country. But then when you get into the complexity of the parts that we do, it definitely narrows things down. And then when you throw the AS9100 system and the quality management system on top of that, then the pool gets very small. We've done some parts for some of our military customers that we were 10, 11, 12 different versions of the part before it was finally decided what the final design was going to be. And it's all, it's a very difficult business overall. We pull a very huge percentage of the budget to maintain and operate the manufacturing side. So if we could go and generate outside revenue, then that would help offset those costs. And if we're not pulling as much from the racing operation, then that frees up money for them to use on the racing side to develop the car and to go race with.